So a few years ago I picked up needle felting when somebody gifted me some wool roving and some wool felt, and I fell in love with it. It is like painting with wool. We have designed these kits by color palettes. I'm just going to show you how I do it, then we'll just talk more about ideas. So this is what's called wool roving. That's your paint. So you choose one of the colors, that's your canvas. And you just place it on the foam block. We've got the needles right in here, there's 3 needles. That's a needle felting needle. It is different than a sewing needle. There's no hole in it. It's not like hooking, anything like that. It is really for poking. You know, select the color and the palette that you want. Think about what you're going to be doing, and then take a little bit of the wool roving. A little goes a long way, and just pull it off like that. I'm just going to kind of shape my flower and start poking. You're the artist, so you don't have to reproduce something exactly. I like to do things that are my interpretation of what I see. I almost always have some natural element that I'm using. If you say that's not quite what I'm looking for, you can take your 2 colors of pink and mix them together. Now you have a 3rd color, just like painting. But we do sell other colors. So if you want to add to your kits, you just want to add some other palettes, we have those too. I did want to tell you that if you don't like what you've done, you can just pull it out. You know, so you don't have to worry like, oh, you know, I just messed up. You don't really mess up in needle felting. It's got that advantage over paint. Because it is a creative kind of thing, and you want to build it, and sometimes just letting it go a bit, it'll find its way, or you'll find the way. But you can't always tear it out if you don't like it. It's so easy to pull it out. I don't like to, if you judge yourself too quickly at the beginning, I think it stops the creative process. If you just want to start trying, kind of haven't been working on craft area or art area for a while, this is a great one to start out with. You know, I think what I like about this is that it can be a very casual hobby that just about anybody could pick up and try, or it can become an art form where you become a felting artist. It's just a fun activity. You could make a party about it. We've done that at work, and you can share kits and share colors. So this is how I would use the felting kits, just creating little artworks, little still lifes of my life.